Are you preparing to secure a Python developer position in a good organization? In the technical evaluation round, you will encounter real-world Python problems. Successfully navigating this phase is important before moving on to the HR round. To ensure you have a robust Python foundation, we have meticulously curated 3 sets of practice tests comprising a total of 120 expertly curated questions, including both intermediate and advanced levels. This comprehensive preparation will not only strengthen your confidence but also position you strongly for success in securing desired Python developer roles. Why choose our Python test series? Comprehensive coverage. Dive into our test series, which is carefully designed to cover an extensive array of Python topics. This comprehensive approach ensures that you not only navigate through intermediate concepts but also delve into the intricacies of advanced Python functionalities. From fundamental principles to subtle complexities, our test series is tailored to provide you with a holistic understanding, preparing you to tackle any challenge in the dynamic field of Python development. Hence, you can elevate your expertise across the entire Python spectrum with our thoughtfully curated questions. Detailed explanation. In our test series, each question serves as a gateway to a deeper understanding. Accompanied by meticulous explanations, these insights go beyond providing the correct answer. They unravel the intricacies of the underlying logic and coding techniques. This dual focus approach transforms each question into a valuable learning experience, enriching your comprehension and honing your problem solving skills. Elevate your Python proficiency by unraveling the complexities with our comprehensive explanations, ensuring you are well equipped for the challenges that lie ahead in your Python developer journey. Real world relevance. Our questions are designed to reflect real world programming scenarios, helping you develop practical skills that can be applied in your projects or career growth. Adaptive learning. Our test series is adaptable, offering varying levels of difficulty, ensuring that you can challenge yourself as you progress in your Python journey. Skill enhancement. With a focus on advanced Python features and best practices, our test helps you elevate your Python programming skills to a professional level. Flexibility. Access the test series at your convenience, enabling you to study at your own pace and on your own schedule. Cost effective. We offer high quality test series at an affordable price, making it accessible to learners with various budgets. Confidence building. Scoring well on our test not only builds your Python skills but also boosts your confidence, preparing you for more advanced Python challenges. Whether you are new to the IT industry or a professional Python developer looking to validate your skills, the Python Intermediate and Advanced Test Series is a critical step in your career journey. It is your trusted companion, offering the knowledge and confidence you need to pass the exam with flying colors. This is not just a standard test series. We are here to offer technical assistance whenever you need it. Simply post your query in the question and answer section, and our dedicated support team will get back to you within 24 hours. They are available to assist you 6 days a week from Monday to Saturday. Get started with our practice test series today and set up on a journey towards achieving excellence in the field of IT. Your success is our mission.